To begin, visit exchange.sesameseed.org. You will need to use Chrome desktop browser and Cyana Wallet, Ontology's browser wallet, to trade on the Decentralized Exchange. Once you are logged into your Cyana wallet, you will see your wallet information in the top right box. Click on your desired trading pair in the Markets section. For example, select ONG seed pair to trade for either token. Select the transaction type. For example, click on Buy ONG if you wish to buy ONG with an eligible trading pair like seed, or Sell ONG if you wish to sell ONG for another token. In this example, we are buying ONG with seed. Enter the amount you would like to trade in the amount field. To calculate the exact amount of seed you wish to sell for ONG, you will need to make adjustments in the amount field to match your desired amount. Click the Buy button. When your Cyana wallet pops up with a call to the smart contract, click Confirm and enter your wallet password to complete the transaction. It is recommended you use the default amount for gas price. We can also buy seed with ONG. Select ONG seed from the Market section and click on Sell ONG. Enter the amount of ONG you wish to sell for seed in the amount field. Click the Sell button. Just like before, you will click Confirm and enter your password on your Cyana wallet when prompted. To view the seed tokens you buy and sell in your wallet, you will need to add the token hash in the OEP-4 token field. The seed hash can be found in the instructions on how to use the exchange, linked at the bottom of the website. Please note the following. Some tokens are indivisible, such as ONT, and can only be traded in whole numbers. The exchange will display the maximum amount that can be traded in any one transaction. The amount to be returned is approximate, as the exact amount of the trade will be determined automatically by the smart contract at the time the trade is executed. The trading fee is always displayed at the bottom of the transaction field. These instructions and answers to frequently asked questions can be found in the link at the bottom of the exchange website. If you have any questions, please contact the Sesameseed team on Telegram or any of our social media channels.